thiamidoperoxycaproic acid. Hello, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new here, my name is Christina and I make videos on everything style, wellness, and beauty. And today, as you can tell by the title, I am coming at you guys with a video on a combination of beauty and wellness. I will be showing you guys how I whitened my teeth. Whitening my teeth for me is something that I've always wanted to do and try. As a young girl, I never had braces, so I didn't really have to do much for my teeth growing up to make them look presentable. But teeth whitening is something that I've always tried and wanted to do to make my smile just a little bit more presentable, even though I didn't have to have braces as a young girl. So I kind of resorted to always trying to whiten my teeth, since straightening my teeth out wasn't a priority for me. But I've usually just used whitening toothpaste and mouthwashes and just some generic teeth whitening kits I would find at like Walmart or Target, but they didn't seem to really work as effectively and quickly as I thought they would. But today I am really excited to show you guys this new LED teeth whitening kit that HISMILE was so kind enough to send over to me to test out. It's actually a brand new teeth whitening kit that they are launching when this video is out. Should be today, April 12th. It's a different kind of teeth whitening kit because of the ingredients that they are using for this teeth whitening process. So the product comes in this box right here, and this is the product that I did use to whiten my teeth. I'm really excited about it and was really impressed with this product because of how easy it was and how quickly effective it was at whitening my teeth. So this is the product here. HISMILE LED Teeth Whitening Kit. And what's so special about it is this PAP formula that they included in the solution that you put on the mouth guard to whiten your teeth with. So just to give you guys a quick summary of what the PAP formula is, the specific ingredients that they included in the formula here. So the box came with, actually, let me just show you what comes in this teeth whitening kit. It is a really simple kit, but I really love their packaging. It reminds me a lot of like Apple products packaging, where it's like super fancy and like high quality. To me, if a product comes in really good packaging, it makes it seem like the product is high quality, and this product is super high quality. So what comes in the box, I already took it out because I've been using it, but it came just like this. It has the LED light device here, and then it came with a mouth guard here. So the LED device and the mouth guard, you just attach that together. And then it came with 6 of the PAP Formula teeth whitening solutions, and these little cute little pill pod looking things. And it came with 6, and each pod is good enough for one whole use. So there were 6 here, so I used this total of 6 times, and within those 6 uses, I've seen major difference in the whiteness of my teeth. And then it also came with this like info packet telling you more about the product, and then also a little like shade matcher that you can kind of see white, or like this whiteness scale to see how many shades your teeth have changed after using this product, to kind of gauge that whiteness to it. So I'm just gonna read you guys what the PAP formula is for this teeth whitening kit. So there's a cute little pamphlet here saying, say hello to the PAP formula. Groundbreaking performance with ingredients that are scientifically proven to whiten and strengthen teeth. Our PAP formula combines expert level formulation with a set of scientifically proven ingredients to provide fast and effective results. The highly reactive whitening agent lifts stains by targeting internal and external discoloration to provide an instant effect after just one treatment. which is true. I saw like instant results after one treatment, which actually blew my mind and really impressed me, and I will insert the clips of me trying that out later on. But PAP also contains active ingredients that strengthen teeth and treat pre-existing sensitivity. This ensures a healthy, pain-free smile during and after the treatment. You will experience whiter teeth that feel healthier and stronger from a formulation designed to provide fast results without pain or sensitivity. So that already just impressed me, how it's good for sensitive teeth and like around your mouth and your gums, because I have experienced like tingling sensations around my gums using other teeth whitening products. So I really love how sensitive the PAP formula is in this new teeth whitening kit from HISMILE. PAP is short for this really long word that I can't pronounce. I'll probably put it down here, but I'll attempt to sound it out. I think it's called the thalidoperoxycaproic acid. So that's, in short, it's PAP, P-A-P, and that is the main ingredient, the PAP formula that HISMILE uses in their new LED Teeth Whitening Kit. And how fast it worked was, I think, the #1 thing that impressed me, because I saw instant results after the first use, and the second use I saw even more results. And of course, to kind of help with the fast teeth whitening process, I drank a lot of my colored beverages such as coffee, tea, and juices out of straws. And just was kind of mindful about that. I feel like that goes for all teeth whitening processes and kits, but that's just something I also did to kind of help whiten my smile while also using this LED teeth whitening kit. But I just was so impressed with this whole process and how easy it was to use. I just set it on my bathroom countertop. So day 1 of using the HISMILE LED Teeth Whitening Kit in their new PAP formula. I'm whispering right now because it's pretty late and there's people sleeping in this household. So I'm just gonna start off by brushing my teeth because it recommends to brush your teeth fully before using it, obviously. So I'm gonna brush my teeth. Everything in the box case. The mouth guard, the PAP teeth whitening solution. It has a cute little logo, and the little directions come in this little pamphlet. Well, I'm just gonna start off by doing exactly what it says on here. Assemble the device. Okay, finally attached it. It wasn't that hard, I just made it hard for myself. Brush teeth before use. You guys just saw me do that. Applying the formula. So open a teeth whitening pod. Apply to top, so apply half of the pod to the top of the mouth tray, then apply the other half of the pod to the bottom of the mouth tray. So okay, so I'm just gonna apply the other half of the whitening solution onto the bottom of the tray like it's said to. After that, it says to to power on the LED device and leave in mouth for 10 minutes until the LED device automatically turns off. Here we go. So you definitely need to rinse thoroughly. I personally don't like the taste of that, but it's not for us to eat, so it's just to whiten the teeth. And it says optimal results are seen after one to two treatments. So this is after the first treatment. I don't know if you can immediately see a difference, but I took a picture of my teeth the other day. The taste went away pretty fast after like 3. Yeah, so it's not that bad. I like it so far. It was really easy. I mean, the taste wasn't the best. Like, it was not bubblegum tasting teeth whitening solution, but minor. Very minor. And then this is what, I don't know if you guys want to see it, but this is just what it looks like after. There's still some remnants on there, and it says to rinse the tray separate from this because this is not waterproof. So I am just going to remove it and rinse this separately. Okay. So this was night 1. See you guys on night 2. That's the process of using the teeth whitening kit after brushing your teeth for a good 2 minutes. And I feel like that was just really easy to incorporate in my everyday oral healthcare routine. So that just goes to show how easy it was and fast and effective that this product was. So I'm just really excited to share this product with you guys that will be available starting today on the HISMILE website. So you guys can also get your hands on this product. I'm gonna insert some pictures here of what my smile looked like in the beginning and after the first couple uses, as well as the direct results of the first use of the product. So as you can see, it was a really fast process after just using it 1 or 2 times, and as you saw, it's also just really simple to use. So I'm super impressed with this LED teeth whitening kit and just how easy it is and high quality these products are, as well as the new PAP Plus. I think it says PAP Plus formula on here. So I'm just really impressed with the PAP Plus formula of this teeth whitening kit, and I feel like has worked the best compared to other teeth whitening solutions or kits that I've tried in the past, or even like toothpaste alone. I feel like that never really whitens my teeth using like the whitening toothpaste. It says whitening on there, but I feel like I don't see results after like 1 day. Like, you'd have to use something meant for actual teeth whitening. I mean, they probably put teeth whitening ingredients in those toothpastes, but I feel like it's not as strong and effective as an actual LED teeth whitening kit like this one from HISMILE. So I was just super impressed with it. I just loved how easy and quick it worked. So, but that is how I use the LED teeth whitening kit. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my experience with it and how it whitened my teeth over time after only 6 uses, because I did only have 6 pods in this kit. I'll probably purchase more in the future when I do want to whiten my teeth continuously and upkeeping the whiteness of my teeth, but after only 6 uses, I've definitely seen a difference in the whiteness of my teeth, so I'm super impressed with that. Thank you again to HISMILE for sending over this LED Teeth Whitening Kit for me to try out for you guys and give you guys my thoughts and my review on the product. Other than that, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!